Welcome back. When we work in Excel, one of our goals is to do our job fast and easy. A time saver feature is a custom list. If you use a list frequently and you don't want to waste time typing them, you can create a custom list. A custom list in Excel is convenient to fill a large range of cells within your list. It could be a list of your team members at work, countries, regions, phone numbers, or customers. The main goal of a custom list is to remove repetition and manual errors in the input. For example, here you have a list of 5 countries. If you have these values already in your workbook and you want to extend the series by repeating exact those values in precisely that order, you can add them to a custom list database. Let's define the steps. First of all, select the cells, click the File tab, then Options. From Advanced Options, scroll down almost to the bottom of the Advanced tab, where you can click the Edit Custom List button. Here, you can see that Excel comes with 4 already defined lists. So, if you want to assign a list of the countries to a new list, click Import and we are ready to go. Click OK and OK again. To make sure that the list works, go to the empty cell, type Argentina and drag the fill handle. It's not necessary to start from the first value of our list. Also, keep in mind that if you send the workbook to a friend, your friend will create the list. So the list is becoming part of your Excel settings. Let's see a case study. Go to Workbook Others. You see some others in the customers country. You want to be able to sort by grace. If you click any country's column cell and sort by A to Z, and from Sort and Filter button, the first country is Argentina. If you try to sort from Z to A, I can help either sort by grace. So if you want to sort based on the custom that we created first of all, you want to import your list as we did before. Highlight these 4 countries. Click on the File tab, Options, and from the Advanced tab, find and press the Edit Custom List button. Press Import, OK and OK again. Click from the Home tab, Sort and Filter button and Custom Sort button. Sort by country and from order. Choose a custom list and highlight this OK and OK again. And look at the data table. The country Greece appears first because it was early on our list. So this is another idea of how you can use the custom list feature. See you in next lesson.